Third District, Board Member Matt Palabrica is hereby recognized to deliver another resolution.
Thank you, Mr. President, Mr. Floor Leader. Proposed resolution commending and congratulating Dante John Sudario Robles for ranking 4th in the April 2023 Electronics Technician Licensure Examination. Whereas Dante John Sudario Robles, a graduate of Iloilo Science and Technology University or ISAT-U, was named among the top-notchers in the recent April 2023 results of the Electronics Technician Licensure Examination. Whereas Dante John Sudario Robles, a resident of Mina, Iloilo, received an 87% rating and ranked 4th in the Professional Regulation Commission Licensure Exam for Electronics Technician, in which 1,641 of 2,227 examinees passed. Whereas Dante John Sudario Robles is a living testament to our youth that through faith, grit, and determination, we can achieve our dreams and goals. Whereas the achievement of Dante John Sudario Robles has brought pride and honor to the province of Iloilo and serves as an inspiration to our youth to always strive for excellence. In view of the foregoing, this representation seeks to adopt a resolution expressing our warmest congratulations to Dante John Sudario Robles for his remarkable achievement and for bringing honor and recognition to the province of Iloilo.
Mr. Chair, in view of the motion, I move to suspend the rules to approve the said resolution.
Rules are suspended to accommodate the request.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, I move to pass a resolution commending and congratulating Dante John Sudario Robles for ranking 4th in the 2023 Electronics Technician Licensure Examination. I so move.
So moved. Any second the motion? Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.